Hi guys, whoa, focus. This is part 3, showing you the LPS, but here we go. Whoa. So we have this one, I just got for Christmas. And it's a whole, and this one we recently just got, and this a whole. Oh yeah, when I was ending the video, I forgot to show you this already, but it's a McDonald's one, and yeah. Then we have this McDonald's koala bear. This chihuahua, it's magnet, and it has biting marks in its ears. And then we have this customized fox, how I think it was called. Cool. This bee we just recently got. Cool. This thing, I can't think what it's called, but I know it's LPS. A hole, and it has an sign on the back. This butterfly we recently got for Christmas. This new LPS peacock, I think it was called. Oh. This one that's customized. This one. This has a magnet. This we customized too. This one's the one that's not customized. This walkable this fox we recently just got for Christmas. This pig magnet, that's our only pig, I think. Or another crab. It's like brown for some reason. But a whole this bright blue fox we customized. This mouse. Whole. This another horse we customized. This dog. That's not real LPS, but I showed you anyways. And deer we recently just got. This pelican, I think it's called. We recently just got 2. Oh, here's the pink fish. Oh. Butterfly, new LPS. I don't really like this one either. But I still have it anyways. This octopus. This one. Another McDonald's one. We have 3 of those. I don't know what another one is. I think it's in here. This one isn't LPS, I don't think. This one. No. A fat cat and a hole. A sheep. We have another one, but there has a rag on it, and it's a magnet. This swan, and it's customized. This ant, and it's a hole. This bird, and it's kind of not in good shape, but this one that used to be my avatar too. This one, this turtle magnet, this hamster we recently just got to. Oh no, this is a guinea pig, I don't know. Comment down below and tell me. You guys can comment down below and tell me what like Outcast or whatever, what their name is and stuff. This hummingbird, I think it's called. This penguin, bear, can't think of what it's called. This one, and this one. Oh, here's the third one of the McDonald's ones like that. This one, I don't think it's Outcast, but I'm just gonna show it to you anyway. It's a whole, and that's all. But I don't know where the body is. My sister lost it, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.